Good morning.
Hi.
I represent the Distinguished Mold Artistry Association, and we've decided to give your neighborhood an exclusive offer. That's right, because we are on a mission to add an unconventional but low-maintenance charm to your home. And today, I've brought something truly unique for you. Introducing the next big thing in home aesthetics, mold.
Gross, you brought mold to my house?
Yes, ma'am, it is all the rage. Now, I know you probably already have some, under your refrigerator or your dishwasher, but picture this. A living room with a centerpiece made entirely of mold.
Nope.
Ma'am, it's the next big thing. Some people just have no sense of style.
If you wouldn't put mold in your house, don't let it grow. Protect your family and order an Immunolytics DIY mold test kit today, because a healthy home is a happy home.